There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. Cause I stay, I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart.
No more deaths. Save my weight. I have 2-4. We have 2-4. All right. Yeah, I guess it's. Ah, wait, $2. I know. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Yo. Lewis. Hey y'all, what's going on? Happy Friday. I'm currently in traffic. I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I'm not working today, so I figured why not just knock out some stuff that I normally get done on Saturdays or on the weekends. So basically I have 2 bank runs to go. I have to go to JMMB and I have to go to NCB to give them my updated ID and etc. So yeah, I know NCB line is going to be crazy long, or probably both banks are going to be crazy long. Worse, it's on a Friday. But yeah, I'm just gonna knock that out. And I know in the previous clips you guys would have seen where I went to the movies and I went to a casino. So let me just give you a rundown on the movies. Like, we went to watch Woman King, right? I'm never ever going back to Portmore Theatre. I don't even know what name. Sunshine? Yeah, I'm never ever going back there. So basically we got box tickets, right? We reached the movie like very, very late, probably like 15. You know what, this is shaking, so I'll be back. So yeah, so I left the bank, the first bank, so I have another bank to go to, that's NCB, so I'm gonna start that out shortly. But remember I was telling you guys that about the story about what name, the movie theater in Portmore, Sunshine. Let me just give you a synopsis of it. So basically we got box tickets, reached the movie late, like 10 minutes after the movie starts. We reached there, people were in our seats. We had number 14 and 15. The other person had 14 and 13. So basically both of us had the same number. So basically we had the same seat number. I had 14, him had 14. So we reached there, there was 2 seats available, 15 and 16. So the girls said, okay, just sit there in the meantime. So we said, what if, you know, the 15 and 16 come? So what's gonna happen with that? We'll sort it out. Anyways, intermission, went outside to get food. That was like 20-minute wait. That's ridiculous for a movie, because 20 minutes you were outside in the line waiting to get our food. So you know the movie starts. When we reached back inside, there were people sitting 5 and 6. So basically we were out of our seats. Okay, we never have nowhere to sit down. The first issue we were already irritated because we're already late for the movie. Come back from intermission, somebody never see. I was like, you know what, let's just watch the movie. Within 5 minutes of standing and watching the movie, I'm like, no, this is not gonna work, because we buy box tickets and we're not getting box tickets. We're literally standing in a movie theater watching the movie. So I was like, yo, we're leaving. Of course, talk to the supervisor, we'll tell him what happened, whatever. He said he wasn't advised in it. He wasn't aware of the initial that somebody had or seat number, blah 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 blah. Bottom line, we tell him, say, yo, we need a refund. And there was conversation, and him say, sorry, I got a call, I don't even know where I was. Oh bloody hell. So yeah, the supervisor was telling him, so we need a refund, and there was conversation, and then he said that we could get 2 passes for any movie, hear the drift, any movie except what the popular movie will just come out that one day. May I put it on the screen? I never remember what name. But yeah, for our inconvenience, since we've came to the theater and whatever, you're limiting us of what movie we can watch. I wasn't having it. I never have it. It never make any sense. But I was so over the situation. I just took the 2 tickets past something when Giwi and we just left because I was so over it. But after leaving, I thought about it. I was like, no, we should have gotten a refund because from we came, there was problems. We couldn't get seats. We couldn't get seated when we arrived. After when we reached to get some food, we were in the line for 20 minutes. Missed more movie time. Reach back, intermission time, we can't get in a seat. We were standing for 5 minutes. So I mean, I don't know, we were just over the situation, to be honest. So I'll just stick to my Carib in Crossroads or Sovereign, and when I watch movie, just stick there. And just Portmore for movies, I'll just leave Portmore out of it. So that was the drift. That's that. So after my background, I'm thinking to go to a cafe. There's a cafe that opened on Red Hills Road. It's a second location. Well, I don't know how much location they have, but they have, it's a new location. It's called Press Cafe or Presco, something along that line. So I'm thinking about going there, or there's another cafe that I saw that I'm thinking of going there, or go to a cafe that I normally pass when I'm passing by Barbican, that upstairs thing. I actually like that. So I'm trying to decide where I'm gonna go. But yeah, but I'll figure it out after the bank run. You guys will see where I'm going. And then I do have an Amazon package that I like to unbox. This is actually perfect for me because when I'm going for my night events and stuff, it's like a vlogging night kit pretty much. So it comes with lighting and mic and etc. So I think that would actually be good for when I'm at the events, and I'll have like a lighting. So I think that's perfect. So I'll show you guys that. So hopefully it's actually good. I think there was a few reviews on it and it was fine. So hopefully I didn't waste some money, but it's quite cheap. So let's see how it goes. So I'll see you guys later at the cafe if I decide to go. If not, I'll see you at home when I'm doing the unboxing. Yeah. By the way, if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up, guys. The subscribe, if you're watching on your phone, the subscribe button is right there. Just click it while you're watching the video if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment. If you don't know what to say, just leave a thumbs up, leave a heart, something, leave an emoji, anything in my comments. So yeah, guys, so I'll see you guys later.
You know that I want to be good for you. You know that I want to be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? That I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting. But we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna.
I just finished, had some food at the cafe. You guys would have seen the food and stuff like that. So I had the pancake platter with turkey bacon. I got 3 turkey bacon, 3 pancakes, and the scrambled eggs, and also I had my coffee. The food was nice, and I paid only probably $1,500 something. And like I mentioned earlier, it's restaurant week, so you get a discount as well. 30% discount was on the receipt. So I don't know, I'm not sure what the original price is, but for the entire thing, $1,500, that's not bad. And my belly is full, so that was good. So I'm gonna actually head home now to do my Amazon package. So I'll see you guys then. if you have reached this video, just like the video if you don't like it yet, please and thank you, and make a comment, guys. I appreciate it. My comments, them just empty. It's like there's no communication at all. Like, what, am I boring? Like, I'm gonna see a comment. If I'm boring, people tell me someone boring, making other comments make me probably feel away, but I'm not gonna feel away. I probably feel away for like 2 seconds and read it, but other than that, I'll be fine after that. But I don't think I'm boring. And you know what, to mention it, initially when I started YouTube, I did not want my channel to become a vlog. I just wanted to do food reviews, hotel reviews. Like, that's my type of thing, that's my thing, you know. But when I realized it's not like I'm gonna go to a hotel every month or every 2 weeks or whatever the case is. I'm not going to be going to a river every week or a beach every week to do any review or food and stuff. I won't be able to do that. That's not sustainable. Like, homegirl ain't rich yet, and even if I'm rich, I'm definitely not going to be able to you know, go somewhere every weekend to do reviews. But so I've kind of like expanded my channel so I can do other things, but I really did not want to do like vlogs. But in order to maintain this channel, I'm probably gonna have to like do that, you know, just to maintain my channel and stuff. So hopefully that goes well. Still getting used to, you know, bringing my phone everywhere, well, videoing everything everywhere I go. Still getting used to that. So yeah, let's see how that works out. But regardless, I appreciate the support so far. Really appreciate it. While you're watching this video, if you're watching on your phone, just click the subscribe button. If it's, you know, the red button right there on the left, on your right, if you're watching on your phone, just do that. But anyways, I'll see you guys later so I can unpack my Amazon package. So excited about that. So talk to you soon. So guys, I am home. Remember I told you guys that I do have an Amazon thing to unbox. So I did mention that it's a vlogging kit with light. Within this vlogging kit, it comes with a microphone, a light, a tripod, and I think something else, and a phone holder. So I thought this thing was perfect to get. One of my main reasons when I do go out in the night and when I do go out in the night for events, you know, sometimes the video is not that clear, it's very dark. So I thought, why not get an additional light? So I did get it in the Amazon daily deal. You know, on Amazon they have daily deals, whatever. I think I got it for $20 something, and now when I looked at it today, it's at 30 something. It's at $36 or $37 now. However, this link is down below. I do have an Amazon storefront, so if you guys want to just go on that link, you can purchase anything from my Amazon storefront, or you can still use the link down below and purchase whatever it is that you want to purchase. But yeah, so this is the AIXPI vlogging kit with light. So this is how it came. I did open it to just look on the inside, but I haven't unpacked anything or even put it together. So we're gonna do that together. I may just show you guys the contents of whatever is in the box, and then I'll just unbox it. So yeah, so let's see what's going on for this. So this is how it looks. So the light, the phone holder, tripod, microphone, etc. And it also has, if you do have a camera, I think it comes with the camera pieces as well, to use on a tripod, I should say. But we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna open stuff. As you can see, it's still in the packaging because I haven't opened it yet, haven't set it up yet, but we're gonna do that together. So let's see what's going on, guys.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.
Alright guys, so it's all set up and stuff. So this is how it's looking. I have the light here. It seems bright enough and stuff, and everything is okay. And it's definitely manageable. We'll be able to, you know, use it outside. It's not heavy and stuff like that. And it's very sturdy, so that's good for your phone. So tomorrow I do have an event, so I'm gonna test it out tomorrow in the night, so you guys will be able to see how that's looking and stuff. So yeah, so
it's pretty good so far. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and if you want to leave a comment down below, go ahead. Remember, you can purchase this on my Amazon store. Like the video, drop a comment, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the other video.
I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save on. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on.